First of all, thank you, Prabodh, and thank you, Mallika Garu, for keep inspiring us, with the Gudakesha programs until now. So those who do not know, Prabodh is like my wife's brother, Pranahita's brother. So he's my brother-in-law, and because he's my family member, I took it for granted, and I did not, focused much on his teachings until the last year. Okay, even he was here in the UK in the year 2016 for about 6 months. Even then, also, I did not focus much because he's my family member. I took it for granted. So only last year, when I was in India, uh, we both were happened to be at the same place, in a place called Kotala. It's like a pyramid ashram. There he started this Gudakesha program, and he said, "Why don't you join this time?" So that's when I thought, okay, let me give it a try. So I did it for 40 days. First 5 days, it's a practice, and you will go through that process. But I've seen the experiences of the people in that first Gudakesha program. I was wonderstruck, with the experience that people were sharing, the previous Gudakesha members. Everyone is like, they have changed their life, they have transformed their life completely, fully, and they felt like, they feel that they are enlightened in with one Gudakesha program, and they could manifest whatever they want: health, the family relations, and professional life, and the business. They got abundance in their life. So that's what I've seen, and even I have realized that, because I work in an IT company and I'm very busy. So I thought this is the great program, because we want to do more and more meditation, and we want to grow spiritually a lot. But the thing is, because of the commitment, because I have a daughter and I have a family, and also I do job. Because of all the commitment, we think that, oh, we have got only 1 to 2 hours a day. That's the misconception that we have. Whole night we can utilize for meditation. And Patriji always says, day is for work and night is for meditation. But I never kind of, because we keep hearing from the masters that, oh, we should take enough rest, also we should not be doing, when Patriji, the grand master himself, is saying that the whole night can be used for meditation, why to listen to anyone? That kind of I had to contemplate on myself. Patriji is saying, and there are so many people, they talk about, okay, why are you doing meditation in the night time? You should take care of it. It's like, don't take that into the heart. You can take into the mind and then leave it there. So that is the experience I want to share. Because even I had that misconception, because there was few masters, they came to UK, and I follow certain master, and they say, why are you doing whole night? I heard him saying to other people, don't do meditation whole night. This is where we kind of program ourselves. Doing meditation whole night, it's not good. But that is the thing we should be utilizing, and we are doing other way around. So you must have heard Patriji saying so many times, night is for meditation. Okay, so that, in my experience, I really felt good, and I got more awareness, and I used to feel hydrated all the time, and there was some sense of peace in during that Gudakesha time. And also I did recently, not the T5 batch, the batch before. Then also I've seen, like, I was very busy. I was working till 11 p.m. every day, most of the times, because there were so many clients, and there were so many releases at my work. But I could manage. I was working till 11 p.m. Can you imagine? Morning 8 a.m. till 11 p.m. I was working and doing this Gudakesha program. So those who are thinking that, oh, it may be difficult, maybe you need to take certain precautions, like first 5 days or 10 days, not to give the importance to the unnecessary things, just focusing on yourself and having the arrangement study for first 1 week or so. even that is not enough, but people who are like kind of wanted to make sure that you can keep in touch with Mallika Garu and other team if you want to do this Gudakesha program. And I'm going to do one more time this 24th, Mallika Garu, there is one Gudakesha program starting. So I have decided to do it one more time, and so that I can continue throughout my lifetime. So that's it from my side. Thank you, Prabodh, for being the guide all the time. For every question, for anything, he has the answer. And one thing I learned from him is like uh, successful people are not happy because they are success. They are happy, that's why they are successful. So the happiness comes first before the success. Happiness doesn't come after the success. Only when you are happy, you are success in your life. So that's what I learned from Prabodh. He always says that, that quote is really always, I think about it. Oh, I try, everyone thrives for success, but before you thrive for success, are you happy first? Only when you are happy, you can successful. That's what I learned from him. Thank you, Prabodh. Thank you, Mallika Garu. Thank you.